there, my name is Teacher Ilona Smith. I have such exciting news, and I know that some of you have been anticipating it for a while. It's been a little bit of trial and error to figure it out, but finally I have launched a tutoring service for any of my subscribers that are interested. So I've put the link down below in this video, and it'll direct you directly to my Calendly calendar, and I'm going to show you now how it all works. So once you click on the link, you're going to pop up on this page. It says one-on-one lesson, and then you'll see there, this could change in the near future, but I'm offering business studies, English, and economics. If there are any subjects that you are interested in that are not here on this page, please just comment down below, send me an email, send me an Instagram, send me a TikTok. I've got so many platforms. And let me know what subjects you're looking into, and I'll let you know if I can help you or not. I can teach, I would say, a few other subjects, but I don't want to disappoint either. So that's why I've put these three for now. But let me know if I can help you in one of the others. I would be more than happy to do so. So you're going to click on one-on-one lesson. It's obviously going to show you the whole calendar, which syncs to my Google Calendar. And you'll see there, all right, so you can't book for today for Friday because I do have a setting on that. But again, if I am available, send me an email and I can see if I can wangle in and fit an appointment for you. But you'll see here you can book from Monday. So you'll click on Monday and you'll see from 9 o'clock all the way until 3 o'clock, you can book a lesson there. The lessons are 1 hour, and I'm doing it via Google Meet. And you'll see that it's roughly 150 Rand, but it is through PayPal. So that's why it's showing as US dollars. So it is set at $8.69. And at that time, it was 150 Rand. So obviously with the exchange rate, it could fluctuate and change a little bit. So what you'll do, you can pick any time there. I'm even available on Saturdays. So if you check Saturday the 11th, I'm available from 9 o'clock until 1 o'clock. So you can just click a time there. You'll click, let's say, 10:30. You'll go next. You'll then fill in all of your details. So you'll fill in your name, your email. Please share any information that is specifically what you are struggling with. So in business studies, we all know there's so many chapters. I think there's about 17 in grade 12. So let me know what specifically you need help with. And then I've put a section here for what grade you are in, as I do tutoring for multiple grades. And it would just help me to get my resources in check in time for the lesson. So you'll type in there what you are interested in. So perhaps, I know this is a topic that a lot of you struggle with. So what you're going to do there is say, please assist me with the strategies chapter for grade 12. All right, or even creative thinking, professionalism and ethics. I know all those big chapters. Then you're going to select your grade. So I have from grade 6 going all the way to grade 12 here. And then you can just pick a grade. If you are doing an adult matric, you'll just pick grade 12. I will look at adding an option for it to say adult matric. And then you will just click here, pay through PayPal. It'll directly send you to PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, you're more than welcome to create one. It's fairly simple, fairly easy. And then you just link your bank card. The payment will go through quite quickly. And then once that's done, it'll bring you back here. And then you can schedule the event and you'll get an email booking to say that you have scheduled an event with me. And I'm so excited for it. I'm so excited to be reaching out and helping learners. I've seen the comments and I've seen all of the emails. I can see how much I've truly been helping learners out there. And this is for me just a step again to help learners even more, because I know trying to grasp all the concepts and you're struggling, and I know with people's schedules and timelines, they don't always have time and space to assist, but just know that I have made time available, and during those time slots is when I am available for lessons. Above and beyond that, adult matriculants, I've seen how many of you watch my videos and that you guys need more support now than ever. So, and I know it's difficult to find a school that'll assist you or find teachers that'll assist you, and that's why I've made this option available, and I've had an option so that you can also get tutored, and so that I can assist you with the essay, how the paper is set out, types of questions that they ask. Okay, so yeah, I look forward to it, and I just want to say thank you so much for all the continued support. It means the world to me, and I can't wait for this new journey. So I hope to see you guys at my next tutoring class. Bye for now.